Are you also running a travel agency and want to automate your customers' chats over WhatsApp? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot for travel package enquiries. So now let me firstly show you how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to work in real time, and afterwards we will build it step by step by using Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And here I'm getting this welcome message with this button, that is travel packages, so I'm going to just select it. And as I have selected this button, I'm getting the list of the popular packages which I'm going to select. So here I'm going to select this first package, that is Goa Getaway. And as I have selected this package, I'm getting the details of this package with its pricing. And here I'm getting this button, that is book package, which I have selected. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which says when are you planning to travel. So here I'm going to enter my date as 21st April 2026. So here I have provided my travel date, and as I have provided it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a confirmation message. So this shows that my WhatsApp chatbot is working properly. So you can also provide packages within the WhatsApp, and your customers can book the packages within the WhatsApp, and now your customers doesn't have to visit multiple websites, as they can do it all within the WhatsApp. So if you also want to automate this travel package booking within the WhatsApp, then let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we are going to create this amazing chatbot which is going to reduce your manual workload and help you to save your time. So now let's move on towards the flow page. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. So on the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, make sure to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn this whole process of adding WhatsApp number, then you can find video link in the description given below. And here I have provided it the name WhatsApp chatbot for travel package enquiries and booking assistance. And here on this flow page, we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, and many more. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and right here I have initiated this WhatsApp chatbot by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which I'm going to type over here. So you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our keyword is ready. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user inputs. So you can enter regex like this for getting the advanced user input, but I'm going to remove it as we already have our keyword. And on the left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting all these message notes. So from here I'm going to select text button, and now in this text button note I'm going to enter a welcome message from my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to add a button to this message note. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here I'm going to provide my button name as travel packages, and from this field of button type you can select it either as quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link. And here we have successfully created our button. Now if my user select this travel packages button, I'm going to provide them list of the packages provided by my business. So for that I'm going to select this list node, where I'm going to provide a body to my list. So this is the body which I have provided to my list. Now I'm going to add a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as package, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items or some travel packages by simply selecting this add items. And now let's provide the title of our first package or the first list item. So here I have provided the title of my first list item. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items or some more packages to this list. So here I have added 2 more items to my list, and now I want to get that response or the package which my user has selected. So for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And now you might be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of a particular data. Now for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is set custom field. So I'm going to connect this node with my first list item, and from this field of the contact custom field you can select your contact custom field as travel package. So here I'm going to select it, and now this contact custom field that is travel package will consist of the package selected by my user. And now for entering the value, we are going to enter this value for which we are creating this contact custom field. And now if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select, and here you will get this page where you can create your own contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And now likewise I'm going to provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items or any of the package, I'm going to provide them details of that package in a message note, and I'm going to create a button for booking the package too. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and again I'm going to select text button for providing the details of the package. So right here you can see I have provided the details of this particular package or the first package, that is Goa Getaway, and here I have created this button that is book package. Now likewise I'm going to do the same for remaining list items. So here I have provided details of all the package. Now if my user select this button that is book package, I'm going to ask them some questions. So for that you can find this node that is ask question over the action block, and now here I'm going to enter a question asking for the date when my user is planning to travel. So here I'm going to enter the question. So here I have entered this question. Now let's select the contact custom field as date over here. So right here you can see I'm getting this contact custom field which I have selected. Now let's select the format as date as well, and as you will select the format as date, it will ask you to enter the number of attempt you want to provide to your user for entering a valid input. So here I'm going to enter my number of attempt as 1, and as you will provide the number of attempt, it will ask you to enter the validation error message. So validation error message is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side for entering a valid input. So here I'm going to enter this validation message, that is please enter a valid date. And now likewise I'm going to add one more question to this flow. So here I have added this question asking for the full name, and likewise you can also add your desired questions required for booking the travel package. And now if my user provides me answer of both these questions, I'm going to provide them a confirmation message, and for that again I'm going to use text button note. So this is the confirmation message which I am going to send to my user. So with this we are done with the creation of our flow for the travel package and booking assistance. So now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your travel agency, which is going to automate all your manual conversations with your clients, and now you don't have to manually interact with your customers and ask for their details again and again. And by using this WhatsApp chatbot, your users can get the details of the travel package too. So this is going to automate your entire business. And now let's save this flow by simply selecting the save button. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.